This is my favorite coffee cup. I have scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed and it still doesn't come clean. And so I heard that Efferdent is supposed to remove the coffee stains. So I bought a box of Efferdent, which was really pretty cheap, like 126 tablets for like $6. And so I'm going to go ahead and try this out for the very first time. I'm going to go ahead and add one of these tablets into my cup with some water, and we'll see how it works. If you've never heard of Efferdent, it's really to get stains off of dentures. And so there's directions on the back that say use very warm water, drop a tablet in, put your dentures in, let it set for 3 minutes. You can see it start fizzing up and going to work on my coffee mug. Obviously there's no dentures in there. Okay, let's see how it works. I ended up letting this sit overnight because I wanted to make sure it really did its job. I probably should have put a little bit more water to reach the top of the cup, and I probably should have did the lid as well. Let's go ahead and rinse this out now. I'm just going to go ahead and dump the water here and then give it a scrub. I could see a little bit already came out, but I'm going to go ahead and scrub the inside of it really well and make sure that I get it clean. I really had to do a little extra scrubbing, but it was pretty bad. But you can see how nicely it came out. Could actually be just a little bit better, but that ridge part got clean. And then I had done this one also, and this one came out really good and just wiped out really easily. So super happy with the fact that now I have Efferdent that will clean my mugs. Definitely would recommend giving it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.